You finally got the chance to upgrade your footage instantly with the 2-in-1 Cinematic Dream Combo MABO Glow VND 1/8. But let me show you where this makes the difference. The diffusion we created is adding a neutral glow to the highlights and reduces imperfections of skin, perfect for people and model shoots. There is a slight overall image softening to take out the digital edge of your shots, taking care not to overdo the effect like common mist filters on the market, leaving contrast and detail in your image, enhancing the film-like and cinematic feel we all love. The subtle 1/8 intensity is really a perfect match for any project, not overglowing with the halation too much or stylizing. Recently, the sweet spot for me. The included True Color VND is something we are really proud of. You got maximum control with 1.5 to 5 hard stops, no X-cross vignetting and one of the lowest vignettings in the game. Barely no vignetting at all, up to 60mm ultra wide. At all stops there's zero color shift, leaving your image crystal clear. MABO Glow VND 1/8 comes in 82mm filter size. Got smaller lenses than 82mm? No problem. You can add step-up rings to your order in any common size, making it possible to adapt your Cinematic Dream Combo to any of your lenses. Now this deal is crazy, up to 50% early bird discount. We created an opportunity you should not miss. To make this even more of a no-brainer to you, each order will be containing the MABO Cine frames worth 39 bucks. 6 different variations of my film emulation LUTs I really use in all of my projects. So what are you waiting for? Take your chance and be one of the first to shoot with MABO Glow VND 1/8.